Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the most versatile plants, aloe vera. Aloe vera is known for its healing and soothing properties for centuries, and it's no surprise that it is still used today in various beauty and health products. In this video, we will discuss the best uses of aloe vera for skin, hair, and health. Part 1: Benefits of aloe vera for skin. Aloe vera is a natural moisturizer and has numerous benefits for the skin. It helps in healing burns, sunburns, and other skin irritations. It also contains anti-inflammatory properties that reduce redness and inflammation. Here are a few ways to use aloe vera for skin. Aloe vera gel as a moisturizer. Aloe vera gel can be used as a natural moisturizer for all skin types. It helps to keep your skin hydrated and soft without any greasiness. Apply a small amount of aloe vera gel on your face and massage gently. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, and then rinse it off with cold water. Aloe vera for sunburns. Aloe vera is known for its cooling properties and can soothe sunburned skin. Apply aloe vera gel on the affected area and leave it for 30 minutes. You can repeat this process several times a day until your skin heals. Aloe vera for acne. Aloe vera can be used to treat acne and pimples. Apply aloe vera gel on the affected area and leave it overnight. Rinse it off in the morning with cold water. You can also mix aloe vera gel with a few drops of tea tree oil for better results. Part 2: Benefits of aloe vera for hair. Aloe vera is also beneficial for hair growth and overall scalp health. It contains proteolytic enzymes that repair dead skin cells on the scalp. Here are a few ways to use aloe vera for hair. Aloe vera gel as a hair mask. Mix aloe vera gel with coconut oil or any other carrier oil and apply it to your hair. Leave it for 30 minutes and then rinse it off with a mild shampoo. Aloe vera can help to reduce dandruff and promote healthy hair growth. Aloe vera for hair conditioning. Aloe vera can be used as a natural hair conditioner. Mix aloe vera gel with apple cider vinegar and apply it to your hair. Leave it for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse it off with cold water. This will help to detangle your hair and make it soft and shiny. Part 3: Benefits of aloe vera for health. Apart from its benefits for skin and hair, aloe vera has various health benefits. It contains vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that boost overall health. Here are a few ways to use aloe vera for health. Aloe vera juice for digestive health. Aloe vera juice can be consumed for digestive health. It helps to reduce inflammation in the gut and can improve digestion. You can mix aloe vera juice with water and consume it daily. Aloe vera for wound healing. Aloe vera gel can be used for wound healing. It contains compounds that reduce pain and inflammation and promote healing. Apply aloe vera gel on the wound and cover it with a bandage. Repeat this process until the wound heals. Aloe vera is a versatile plant that has numerous benefits for skin, hair, and health. It is a natural remedy that can be used for various ailments. Incorporating aloe vera into your daily routine can lead to healthy and glowing skin, hair, and overall well-being. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.